Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wagwan Tours. We're in Faliraki and take a little walk. Show you Wagwan in the daytime. Get some nice food here last night. Really nice street food. Here to give a halloumi gyro.
You okay, bud?
Nice clothes shop. Got a golf course over there as well, mini golf. A few places shut down. Looks like this heyday is a bit gone for Faliraki. Let me know in the comments if I'm incorrect, because a lot of places look like it was a lot more busier a long time ago when we were kids. I remember we used to watch, was it Club Reps? I used to do Faliraki quite a lot. It's really hot today, like every day. But yeah, sweat is dripping off me. So this club was open yesterday. We didn't go in it. I'm gonna have to have a little look at some point. I don't know if they charge to get in, because that's the only thing that puts me off. If they're gonna charge me to come in, I'm not gonna come in. Not really into house music too much. I remember seeing these strip bars open. But yeah, I'm not really going to pay to go into a nightclub where they're playing music I don't really like. Little tiger. Let me know in the comments what's your favourite bars in Faliraki. Like I said, this is our first time here, so it's all brand new to us. I think at the moment it's coming up for 11 AM, just gone 11 AM. Yeah, we was in Zante last. I think 2 weeks ago we was in Zante. 2-3 weeks ago we was there filming, and it was hot. But this is at the moment really hot. Like Kalima hot in Tenerife. That's what this feels like. It's like they're getting something open here. Like a new. Oh, nice new. Okay, it's a little. You didn't want me to fucking film that, but can't tell me nothing. He doesn't rule the world. But yeah, they're building up the hotel. Don't know what he's got to hide there, eh? But yeah, we went to this place, pizza. Frosty. Had a nice, yeah, they had a nice cocktail there. Quite late at night it was. Nice big hotel, this one. Hotel Polo. Very nice. We've got old bedrock over there, yabba dabba doo. Got the old Flintstones. And my camera overheated yesterday, it was the first time it's ever overheated whilst doing these type of videos. I can normally do. It did overheat when I was in Tenerife one time when I was filming Billy Porter, but yeah, normally it does never happen. But it is extremely, extremely hot at the moment. Old Georgia Sport Bar there. What's this, another little mini golf? Oh yeah, another mini golf. So yeah, my first impressions of Faliraki is I like it. I do like Greece in general. There's all your prices there. How much is it to the airport? 31, 40 euros. Maybe I didn't get ripped off the other night. And we've still got another 5 nights. 5 nights that we got. Last day we go home. We've got that whole day. We've got a really, really late flight. I think we land in the UK about 1:30, 2 in the morning. Aqua World, Faliraki. I said a few things just look a bit dated, like I guess with a lot of these places they're just getting back on their feet after COVID and whatever else. Looks like the road stops here. Can I walk down there? Doesn't look like it. Let's go down to the beach then. Okay, bus going to Lindos. Yeah, it's roasting. I love it. So it's nice and warm in the UK at the moment as well. Well, I'll take this heat. This is my type of heat. Check this old boat out. Again, a bit tired around here. Apollo Blue. Is that like Tui Blue, is it? Okay, you got a little snack bar. It's got a flume. Okay. What's this? Don't look like the flumes are open. Spa and wellness. Okay. I don't think I'm going to walk around that way, so we're going straight down towards the beach. I've got one of them submarine boats you can go on. It's a 3-hour tour. I think one of them had a bit of an accident in Egypt not so long ago. Let me know if you've ever been on one. I don't think it's something that I would be doing. I don't think I'll just do a bit of snorkeling. So much I'll do. In the sea, a bit of jet skiing, a bit of snorkeling. Yeah, this is what Greece actually reminds me of a lot of it. It's updating itself. New buildings being built. Or it looks like they've stopped building them. No idea. Let's get ourselves down to the beach and see where Miss Sabrina is. Miss Wagwan. Which way do we go? Let's go left. Okay, beach apartments. Alright, that's a be a lovely little place to stay. Right on the water. Oh, I can see Sabrina in the distance, Mrs. Orange today. She's doing a lovely beach walk. I don't know if you can see her just there. Yeah, check these all out. Enjoying that little pool. This is Tulum. Looks like there's a bit of a queue getting into this one. Or just families just turning up. Yeah, cheers for locking into the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do so. Hit the notification so you can see when our next videos get uploaded. And yeah, until the next one.